Good morning, students. I welcome all of you to the Department of Geography, Union Christian College. This is your first class, and I very warmly welcome you. And in today's class, I would just like to give a brief introduction about the subject geography. Geography is concerned with distribution of various features, natural, man-made, or on the surface of the earth. A Greek scholar, Eratosthenes, was the first to coin the term geography, derived from two Greek words, that is, geo means earth and graphy means description. Geography thus a description of Earth's surface and the entire phenomena appearing on it. However, different scholars have defined geography as per their viewpoint. Some of these are as follows. According to Richard Hartson, geography is a discipline that seeks to describe and interpret the variable characters from place to place of the earth as the world of man. According to Isaiah Bowman, geography tells what is where, why, and what it is made of. Vidal de la Blache defined geography as a science of places. As per Griffith Taylor opinion, geography is the correlative science. According to David Hartward, geography is concerned with description and explanation of the aerial differentiation of Earth's surface. Physical geography as a science studies the Earth's surface and its characters, representing spatial relations and varying regional pattern. It thus includes a. The land surface and its features, lithosphere. The water surface and its characteristics, hydrosphere. Gaseous envelope surrounding the earth atmosphere. Living organisms in the environment, biosphere. All these four components, with their varying spatial and temporal aspects, have produced different characteristics features on the earth. This is well defined or observed by spatial distribution of different phenomena on the surface of the earth. For example, distribution of relief features, natural vegetation, birds and animals, human population, etc. However, all these phenomena are unevenly distributed on the surface. Human geography studies the pattern of human activities in an environment. It includes human, political, cultural, economic aspects of social sciences. Human geography studies various activities in relation to its physical components and involves quantitative and qualitative data for analysis. Human geography is studied with the help of thematic maps giving location and other attributes of the phenomena under study. For example, distribution and pattern of rural and urban settlement, transport and communication lines, etc. in an area. Now, I would like to give little bit of information about the relationship of geography with other subjects, especially geography and botany and geography and zoology. Botany is inseparable part of geography. Distribution of vegetation in different area depends upon geography of earth. Geography is nothing but the study geographical distribution of plants and animal on earth. Vegetation of an area depends upon soil, climate, altitude, rainfall, temperature, humidity, and light intensity. Animals' habitat also depends upon the above. Geography of Earth decides the kind of animals and plants in a particular region. Life of Arctic animals is different from the life of temperate and tropical area. The morphology and anatomy of animals in different regions also depend upon the condition prevalent in that geographical area. Now, let us see the relationship between geography and zoology. All sciences are related if you think about it, as they deal with everything physical that we perceive. Geography has a direct impact on the way animals evolve and thrives and multiply. Just think about climate as a subject of geography. Polar bears would die in the tropic by overheating very quickly, just as animals from the tropics would die of cold in the polar regions. Animals have evolved to deal with the different geographical areas, not just temperate temperature, but all other components of their ecosystem. Availability of life supporting necessities, oxygen to breathe in different quantity, and from think about latitude and oxygen, press, pressure in air, and depths where oxygen is dissolved and in reduced quantity, food and water sufficient of their own kind to sustain breeding. All these are essential, and therefore there is a very close relationship between geology, sorry, zoology and geography.